authors, you can say, Khushwant Singh's grandmother, she was religious, she was pious, she was educated. Second thing is, she has already lost her husband. But in spite of losing her husband, she was a widow. But even after that, she has a regularity in going to where temple. Second thing is, when author's parents had gone to the city to get them settled, what did she do? She took care of what? Of her, wait, wait a minute, my dear. She was taking care of her grandson. Got it? Next one is, when the grandson started going to English medium school, what did she do? She was such a consoled lady. She was such a consoled lady that, uh, wait a minute, beta, I'm getting some messages from the students. Let me check out that. Okay, class enrollment. She is Jannat, not Jatin. Roll number and class wise. I don't know. Wait a minute, my dear. Just I'm switching off my video. Only you would be able to listen my voice. I think on WhatsApp I'm getting the message. Uh, because of some urgent work I couldn't attend. Okay. So, beta, we were talking about Arthur's grandmother. So overall, although she was a widow, although she was a lady of strong character, character means she has such a strength that she didn't stop going to temple, she didn't stop going with her grandson. She took, you can say, sole responsibility of whom? Of her grandson. So overall, she is handling in an independent manner. I don't know what's going on with the screen. So she was doing everything in an independent way. Okay, beta. So that is why she is being called a lady of strong character. That she did everything at her own. She was not dependent on anyone. And whenever the circumstances became opposite to her, when the circumstances completely went opposite to her, she accepted. One line is there, she accepted her seclusion without any resignation. This line is there कैसे? इसका मतलब क्या है कि without any complaint. When Khushwant Singh was given a separate room, she even accepted that without any complaint. When Khushwant Singh went to university and outside the country to a foreign university to complete his education, she went to the railway station to bid him goodbye. So everything she accepted. So overall, she was a lady of what I must say that she was a lady of self-control. So when she is able to adjust herself, she is a widow, she is an old lady, even then she is bearing the duty completely. So इतना कुछ क्वालिटी होने के बावजूद भी वो कभी भी कमजोर नहीं पड़ती है. तो हम क्या कह सकते हैं कि स्ट्रॉन्ग कैरेक्टर है उसका, बहुत ही मजबूत औरत है जो हर तरह की परेशानियों को, हर तरह की प्रॉब्लम्स को जीवन में क्या करती है, वो फेस करती है. आई थिंक केसर नाउ द डाउट इज क्लियर. स्ट्रॉन्ग कैरेक्टर का मतलब पता है बेटे क्या होता है? स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है जो मजबूत, बिल्कुल आपका जो किसी भी परिस्थितियों में जो कमजोर ना पड़े. So she handled everything. Yes, one message I got from one of you, and that is, let me check out. Yes, man, chapter 1 snapshot. What did Dharam think about Murad's action of riding a stolen horse? Beta Ajay, I will discuss. You will put a reminder in my mind. I know 11th Arts 1. I think Ritu's brother, if I am not wrong. Are you Ritu's brother? Say yes or no. Ajay. Yes, but this no, okay. This problem I will discuss tomorrow. You will put again a reminder daily. I will discuss one problem. Okay, so this problem is pending for tomorrow. Let me start off with your next paragraph, which I must say. See, this is the line. So yesterday we had a discussion and we were to start up with Hoshahalli village. From here I have to start up this line. What a pity it is not the geography in English and you can say writing in English. Okay, so from here I am to start. It is not your fault. So what does the narrator say? कि जो ये सब जो कर रहे हैं हम, ये आपकी गलती नहीं है. अगर आपको मेरे गांव के बारे में नहीं पता है, if you don't know about my village, then it is not your fault. Why it is not your fault? Because there is no mention of it in any geography book. The first thing is that my village is not so famous. Second thing is that there is no mention to any geographical place in the geographical map of India. कि भौगोलिक जो नक्शा है भारत का, उसके अंदर आप ये कह सकते हो कि कहीं भी किस चीज का, मेरे गांव का नामो निशान नहीं है. सो दैट इज व्हाई यू आर नॉट इन अ फॉल्टी कंडीशन, फॉल्टी सिचुएशन. सो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू ब्लेम यू एनीमोर. मैं तुम्हें इस चीज के लिए कोई दोष देने वाला नहीं हूं. देन द नेक्स्ट इज दोज साहिब इन इंग्लैंड. So the writer is talking about the days when India was not free. So English people, अंग्रेज लोगों के लिए कहता है कि वो जो साहब लोग हैं इंग्लैंड में हैं, writing in English, who used to write in English, probably means perhaps they don't know the such a village exists. Perhaps those who prepare the geographical boundary and the political map of India, the complete map of India, they must not be knowing that such a village still exists in India. Got it dear? कि इस तरह का कोई गांव भारत में कहीं उसका एग्जिस्ट मीन्स यू कैन से अस्तित्व में रहना, होना कोई चीज, वो कहीं पे भी है. Now the next is our own people. Arvind 11th art, you are annotating on my screen and you will be punished for this. Mind my words beta. So make no mention of it. So that is why they had not mentioned the village of my village Hoshahalli, and that's why you people have not got anything about this. Our own people to forget about it. Our own people. So now he is talking about the political leaders, the people who did later on after English people left our country India, and those who prepared the map of India. अंग्रेज लोगों के जाने के बाद, अंग्रेज लोगों के जाने के बाद वो लोग जिन्होंने हमारे देश का नक्शा बनाया, जिन्होंने हमारे देश का नक्शा बनाया. दीपांशु, यू ऑल्सो एनोटेटिंग ऑन द स्क्रीन. तो I cannot blame them anymore. No such a place exists, and now our own people to forget about it. Our own people, Indian people. So the question arises, beta, who are being made responsible for not mentioning the village Hoshahalli in the map of India? First, the writer made all the English people responsible for that. After that, he made also the Indian people who made the map of India responsible for not mentioning Hoshahalli village in the map of India. Got it? You know how it is. You know how it is. आप समझ सकते हैं कि परिस्थितियां और कंडीशन किस तरह से निकल के आती हैं. They are like a flock of sheep. दे आर लाइक अ फ्लॉक ऑफ शिप मतलब बेटा कि वो जैसे भेड़ों का झुंड होता है ठीक उसी तरह से वो सारी चीजें हैं. यस अरविंद यू वांट टू से समथिंग लेट मी चेक आउट इट. इतनी बारी कौन रिप्लाई करे व्हाट डज इट मीन अरविंद. And the sahibs in England and our own geographer have not referred to it. तो कहता है कि both are responsible. Sorry, I left a line in between. One sheep walks into a pit. कहता है कि सभी लोग बिल्कुल उसके झुंड की तरह से हैं कि जैसे कि एक शिप जो है वो गड्ढे में गिर जाती है. पिट होता है बेटा गड्ढा. द रेस्ट ब्लाइंडली फॉलो इट. जो बाकी जो लोग हैं वो उसको ब्लाइंडली मीन्स विदाउट एनी एक्सक्यूज विदाउट एनी रेजिंग एनी क्वेश्चन वो भी उसको उसी तरह से क्या करे बिना कोई सवाल जवाब किए फॉलो करेंगे. एंड व्हेन बोथ द साहिब्स इन इंग्लैंड एंड आवर ओन जोग्राफर्स कहता है कि जो दोनों साहिब मीन्स इंग्लिश पीपल एंड अवर ओन जोग्राफर्स वो भौगोलिक नक्शा बनाने वाले कार्टोग्राफर भी बोल देते हैं इनको जो नक्शा बनाते हैं दैट पर्सन इज कॉल्ड कार्टोग्राफर इवन हैव नॉट रेफर्ड टू इट. रेफर्ड मीन्स मेंशन्ड टू इट. उन्होंने भी इन सारी चीजों का कोई कुछ मेंशन नहीं किया है. You cannot expect the poor cartographer to remember to put it into the map. Poor means here that is means not garib who doesn't have any riches and joys. Here it means a very simple and humble person. Okay, so वो कहता है कि उस बेचारे कार्टोग्राफर को नक्शाविद को याद ही नहीं रहा होगा कि इतने छोटे से गांव को वो कहीं नक्शे में जगह दे. And so there is not even the shadow of our village on any map. And that is why there is no reference to, you can say, to any of the name of my village. So the question arises, what reasons were given? I repeat, what? The question is, what reasons were given by narrator for not mentioning the name of his village in map of India. Got it? I think now the question is clear and the answer will be the last 4 or 5 lines to this. Okay. So sorry, I started somewhere and then went off in another direction. So now he is excusing sorry that he was to start up with the marriage ceremony and he was to tell up about marriage of Ranga. But he had gone on telling about the map of Hoshahalli and why the name is and means any other extra questions he has been. So he had been gone off the track. वह रास्ते से भटक गया है. That's why he had started explaining about his village and why it is not mentioned in Indian map. If the state of Mysore is to Bharat Varsha. Okay, but this line I will start up tomorrow as we are running out of the time. And the situation, the question is there. I will also you can say the provide you the notes, the 2 questions beta. So those you will note down in your questions as well and in your notebook as well. I will share a screenshot of that with you. and after that you will copy it, and tomorrow you will learn all these. Got it, beta? So let me share that with you. Wait for some time. See, Himanshu 11th green. He is now trying to enter beta. This is not okay.